Welcome to our digital car buying experience. Within our virtual showroom, you'll be able to select your vehicle, view finance options, review trade information, and even talk to a representative to answer your questions anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Browse our inventory to see our best prices instantly and select which payment options work for you. Have a trade-in? We can do that too. Upload all required information in a snap. And don't forget to protect yourself and your vehicle with service and protection plans. Schedule a time for in-store pickup or have your vehicle delivered straight to you. The power of real-time retail is in your hands. Get started today.